Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this smooth zoom in and zoom out edit transition inside Filmora 13. This transition is very easy to create, so let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay guys, here I use 1440 by 1920 resolution with 60 FPS. Then I added my video clips and matched them to the audio beat like this. Okay, then we need to add zoom in and out transition to this. So first let's see how to create zoom out transition. So select the clip, and select the crop tool. Then select pan and zoom. So then we need to bring the start area to the middle. For that, click this switch icon. After that, I adjust the start area like this. And also make sure to use the exact ratio you use in your edit. So now we have this kind of zoom out look. So then click apply. Okay, now I like to add a little bit of speed look at the beginning of this transition. So I increase the clip scale to something like 110, and create a keyframe. Then drag this keyframe to start like this. Then go to 10 frames forward, and change the scale back to 100. After that, open the keyframe panel, select the last keyframes, and add the ease in preset to this. Okay, now our zoom out effect looks like this. So if you need to add this effect to your other clips, simply right-click on the zoom out effect clip, select effect, then select the copy effect. After that, select all other layers, and right-click on them, select effect, then select the paste effect. So guys, now our zoom out transition looks like this. So that's the zoom out transition. So next let's see how to create the zoom in transition. So guys, it's so easy to create. This time we need to bring the end area to the middle, so we can switch these using this switch icon. So now we have this kind of zoom in look. After that, click apply. So then we need to add speed look at the beginning. So simply create a keyframe on the scale. And I bring this keyframe to start, then go to 10 frames forward. And I change the scale to something like 105. After that, open the keyframe panel, select the last keyframes, and this time add the ease out preset to this. So now we have this kind of cool zoom in effect. So after that, I add this effect to my other clips like this. Okay, now our zoom in transition looks like this. Also, finally, you can add motion blur. For that, I add this dispersion blur effect. Then go to the effect settings, and change the blur type to 1. Then you can adjust the blur radius, clarity radius, and blur amount you like. So then go to start the effect, and create a keyframe on intensity. Then go to the end, and change it to 1. So then you can add this blur effect for your clips like this. So guys, that's how we can make smooth zoom in and out edit transitions inside of Filmora 13. And you can see it's pretty easy to create. And also, if you want more of this kind of tutorial, please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.